Welcome to my channel. Another day, something to learn. In computer security, zero-day refers to a vulnerability or weakness in a software or hardware system that is unknown to the system's creator or vendor. The term zero-day refers to the fact that the creator or vendor has 0 days to prepare a patch or fix for the vulnerability before it can be exploited by attackers. Zero-day vulnerabilities can be used by attackers to gain unauthorized access to a system, steal sensitive data, or execute malicious code. Attackers who discover zero-day vulnerabilities can use them to launch zero-day attacks, which can be particularly dangerous because the victim organization or individual may not be aware of the vulnerability until it is too late. Zero-day vulnerabilities are often discovered by skilled security researchers or hackers who are looking for weaknesses in systems. These individuals may choose to report the vulnerability to the system's creator or vendor, in which case it becomes known as a responsible disclosure. Alternatively, they may choose to exploit the vulnerability themselves or sell it to other attackers, in which case it becomes known as a black hat or gray hat activity. Requirements for discovering a zero-day vulnerability can vary, but typically require a deep understanding of the software or hardware system, as well as knowledge of common vulnerability types and attack methods. Some researchers or hackers specialize in finding zero-day vulnerabilities and may use a variety of tools and techniques to discover them. However, it's important to note that the discovery and exploitation of zero-day vulnerabilities is generally viewed as unethical and illegal, unless done as part of a responsible disclosure process. Tools used for discovering and exploiting zero-day vulnerabilities vary depending on the type of system being targeted and the expertise of the individual or group conducting the research. Here are some examples of tools that may be used in the process. Fuzzers. Fuzzers are software testing tools that send random or malformed inputs to a software application in order to identify unexpected behaviors or crashes. Fuzzers can be useful for discovering previously unknown vulnerabilities. Debuggers. Debuggers are tools that allow developers to analyze and diagnose errors in software code. Researchers may use debuggers to analyze how a program works, which can help them identify potential vulnerabilities. Reverse engineering tools. Reverse engineering tools allow researchers to analyze and understand how software or hardware works, even if the source code or specifications are not available. These tools can be useful for identifying potential vulnerabilities in proprietary software or hardware. Exploit frameworks. Exploit frameworks are software tools that contain pre-written code for exploiting known or unknown vulnerabilities in software or hardware systems. These frameworks can be useful for attackers who want to launch attacks quickly and efficiently. It's important to note that the use of these tools in the discovery and exploitation of zero-day vulnerabilities is generally viewed as unethical and illegal, unless done as part of a responsible disclosure process. Researchers and hackers who discover zero-day vulnerabilities have a responsibility to report them to the system's creator or vendor, so that they can be patched and made more secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.